fibre reinforced polymer is the new innovative way to reinforce your concrete. Say goodbye to heavy, expensive, corrosive steel. GFRP is 4 times lighter, meaning you can fit 4 times the reinforcement in each trip, and it's half the price. Here's how to use it. Once on site, unload your GFRP off the truck. Each bar weighs around 900 grams, making it easier to lift and carry. One person can carry around 20 bars off the truck, meaning they have 26 square metres of reinforcement on their shoulder. Compare this to the traditional method, where you'd need twice the labour to carry a single sheet of steel. Measure and mark your centres on the ground. Make sure the centres are 500mm apart with a lap length of 400mm. 400mm may seem long, but when you scale it up, it's less lap than steel. Lay your GFRP in a grid pattern according to your centre markers and cut off any excess on the edges. Tie your GFRP manually or using a tie wire gun. Place your bar chairs so the bar is 30mm under the surface, or in the upper third of the slab. You're now ready to place and finish. When using GFRP, make sure you soft cut your concrete to help control shrinkage of the slab. Get in touch with Madewell Products to find out more about GFRP today.
I'm the director of EasyCrete. We specialise in domestic concrete paving, coloured concrete, plain concrete, exposed aggregate driveways, pathways, vehicle crossings, just all your smaller style concrete structure. We do a lot of internal concreting, so hydronic floors and screeds for polished concrete, and the structural requirement for steel is quite high. So the minimum that we were using sort of an SL82. Now, a lot of these projects that we're working on in the city, we're in heritage listed homes. Trying to get sheets of Rio into homes was proving to be a problem for us, just damage wise. So when we got the GFRP introduced to us, it was like quarter of the weight. It was just a safer and faster alternative with no sort of collateral damage that you get with conventional steel. First of all, we needed to make sure that what we were supplying to our customers was going to perform equally or if not better than steel. And that was really the only questions we had, but as soon as we'd reached out to Madewell and all that information was made sort of readily available to us quite quickly, we handed that over to our customers, and Madewell were super transparent with that, so it made it really easy for us to transition. As soon as we saw Durabar rock up on a ute, and it get taken off the ute and put neatly against a wall on the street, but it was well and truly out of the way. Pedestrians still had access. It was safe, stored. It was from that point, just from an installation point of view, it was a far superior product. We've been pushing to get them in crossovers, council-approved paving, footpaths and stuff like that, just based on how much of it I can carry around on the utes. I can carry a lot more jobs worth of GFRP on my setups than I can steel, which reduces downtime of picking up and having deliveries made by, an extra day. It's almost like, it feels like an extra day a week, because from here, we're finishing here at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We go from here to the next job, throw in bar, tie, to the next job, throw in bar, tie, where last year it was from here, go pick up steel for tomorrow and then go home. So it's instantly, we're already ahead, and that is, you can't put a price on that because it's huge. And how awkward carrying steel is, even for the most seasoned concreter. Like if you've got a raft slab that's, say you've got 600 high, rebate on it, and you've got to walk up over that boxing with a sheet of steel that's going to be usually 92 because it's, that's the shape of the grate. If you've ever had to carry a sheet of 92 up something or into something, onto foam, it's the worst thing in the world. Eliminating that is, like if I had started concreting with GFRP back in, I don't even remember when I started concreting, and I didn't have to do all of those things with carrying steel, I would be in so much better condition now. I would be, it would just be a game changer. Like the industry from 10 years from now will be, it's exciting to see it change into something that isn't what it was.